In this multi-step equation, we can see there are variables on the left side and the right side of the equation. In addition, there is a double negative. Let's use the mat to tackle this situation. To begin with, we are going to use the blue pawn to represent x. The next step is to remove a negative 3x. We don't have a negative 3x to begin with. Without changing the value of what we just established here, we can use the idea of zero pair. I am using 3 zero pairs. Each one, the answer is a 0. So technically, we did not change the value of the x. Now you can see we have an x and 3 sets of zero pair. Let's go back into the equation. We started off with an x, which is this blue pawn. The next step is to remove a negative 3x. Now we can remove the negative 3x. Let's take them off the mat. As you can see, we now have an x plus 3x. This is what happens with the double negative. So this has changed to x plus 3x. Let's finish setting up this equation. Add a 2. And on the right side, let's add an 8. And let's add negative 2x. As you can see, combining like terms gives you x plus 3x, which is nothing but 4x. There is no change in the right side of the equation yet. I am now going to swap the 8 with 6 plus 2. Remember, in an equation to balance it out, what happens on one side of the equation must happen on the other side of the equation. Since I have a 2 on the left side and the right side, I am now going to remove them off the mat. Removing a 2 is nothing but subtracting a 2 on both sides. On the left side, we now have 4x, and on the right side, we now have 6 and a negative 2x. Let's use the idea of a zero pair. Once again, remember, what needs to happen on one side must also happen to the other side. So I am going to bring in 2 of the blue pawns on each side of the equation. Let's bring in another set of the positive blue pawn, 1 on each side of the equation. As you can see, I added 2 positives. This is a zero pair. I can take them off. This is a zero pair. I can take them off. So it cancels out. So the left side is now 6x. The right side is 6. We need to divide the 6 among the 6 blue pawn. So divide by 6 on both sides of the equation. And each x, the value is going to be 1.